In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start Steam in offline mode without opening it first. This can be particularly useful if you're experiencing issues with your internet connection, or simply want to play your games offline without the usual startup checks. We'll guide you through each step, ensuring you have all the information needed to carry this out smoothly. To get started, open your File Explorer. This is your gateway to navigating through the different folders on your computer. Next, look for and click on This PC, which should be visible on the left panel of your File Explorer window. This option allows you to access all the drives and connected devices on your computer. Once inside this PC, locate and click on your Windows C drive. Often the primary drive on a Windows computer, it stores your operating system and most installed applications. Within this drive, look for a folder named Program Files, x86. This directory is where many of your applications, including Steam, are installed, particularly if they are 32-bit software. In your Program Files x86 folder, find the Steam folder and open it. This is the main directory where Steam keeps all its core files. Within the Steam folder, you're looking for another folder named Config. Inside config, search for a file called loginusers.vdf. This file contains information about your Steam account's login preferences. Right-click on the loginusers.vdf file and choose Open With. Then select Notepad from the list of programs to open the file. Notepad is a straightforward text editing tool that's perfect for simple file modifications like this one. With the file now open in Notepad, you'll need to locate a specific entry called Once Offline Mode. This line is a key toggle for offline mode settings. By default, you might see that it is set to 0, meaning that Steam doesn't automatically start in offline mode. Change this 0 to a 1, which forces Steam to launch in offline mode by default. After making the change, click on File in the top left corner of Notepad, and then select Save to apply these modifications. It's important to save your changes before closing Notepad to ensure everything is properly set up. Now you're ready to close Notepad. The next time you open Steam, it will start in offline mode, allowing you to enjoy your games without an internet connection. This method provides a straightforward way to control how Steam launches, catering to your needs whether online or offline. And there you have it, a quick and effective way to start Steam in offline mode without having to open it first. Enjoy your gaming.